Now, your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, a little warmer today than yesterday. Temperatures tomorrow will be back down just a little bit, but I've got a pretty nice warming trend through the weekend and into early next week. I actually have a day on the 7-day forecast with highs in the 60s. So some big changes coming up over the next several days. First, we'll begin with the radar. We have seen a few clouds move in late this evening. Partly cloudy skies outside right now, but no rainfall or snow falling from those clouds. You can see that we're sort of getting squeezed between two systems, one off towards the south and some of that cold air coming in out of Canada. Not a well-organized system, but there's an area of low pressure back here across areas of South Carolina and Georgia that'll work its way slowly up the east coast far enough that we won't see much in the way of precipitation, but close enough that it'll throw a few clouds our way and maybe an isolated sprinkle or flurry in some of our far northern locations tomorrow afternoon. It's a pretty short window, only about 4 or 5 hours that we have that potential. You'll be able to see that here on Futurecast. Partly cloudy skies through the overnight hours. A little bit of sunshine as we start the day tomorrow, but the clouds will quickly thicken up. We'll call for increasing clouds with partly to mostly cloudy skies by afternoon. Here's that area of low pressure spinning off the coastline. Again, not a lot of moisture for it to work with, but we could see a little bit thrown back our way for parts of the eastern shore, maybe the peninsula, middle peninsula, the northern neck. Temperatures in the low 40s, upper 30s, so most stuff would fall as rain, although with some cold air coming in just on the backside, can't totally rule out maybe a brief changeover or a mix of a little bit of snow in some of the far northern locations across the northern neck or the northern eastern shore. Temperatures through the afternoon in the mid 40s rather. Tomorrow night, skies quickly clear out. We'll look for mainly clear skies by Saturday morning, and through the day, lots of sunshine. Temperatures climbing by afternoon into the upper 40s to around 50 degrees, thanks to those winds switching around towards the southwest. So again, how much rain or snowfall are we talking about? Very, very slight chance that we could maybe see a little bit of some dusting on maybe the tops of cars or some decks or some grassy surfaces. Again, best chances would be northern neck and the eastern shore, but even then, only looking at maybe about a 10 to 20% chance of that through the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies outside right now, 38 degrees, winds coming in out of the northeast at 13 miles per hour. It's 40 in Currituck, 44 in Manio, 38 in Norfolk, 34 in Williamsburg, 30 in Melvin, 29 up at Wallops Island on the eastern shore. So partly cloudy skies tonight, 32 as an average low, seasonally cold temperatures, winds out of the northeast at 10 to 15. And tomorrow, increasing clouds through the day, that slight chance of an isolated shower, maybe a flurry. Some of our far northern locations, 46. Clearing skies tomorrow night down to 32 and 48 on Saturday. Mostly sunny, breezy, and a little bit chilly. And temperatures by Sunday up to 54 degrees. Clouds on the increase once again. The chance for a few isolated showers with mostly cloudy skies on Monday, 58. 64 on Tuesday with another chance of an isolated shower, but cold front moves in Tuesday night, dropping those readings back closer to normal by the middle of next week.
See that? Okay, Evan. Thanks so much. And we're, of course, tracking that weather for you day and night. Before you head out the door tomorrow morning, check in with 13 News Now Daybreak starting at 4:30.